Hi everyone, my name is Christy, and in today's video I'm going to be trying out this new dual-ended eyeliner that I got in my June 2023 Ipsy Glam bag, which if you haven't seen that unbagging video or unboxing video, that is up here on my YouTube channel, so make sure to check that out. But what I got here is the Formula Z Cosmetics Happy Stick Dual-Ended Liner, which I got in the shades Sky and Emerald. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and it has a retail value of $23, which even though it's a two-in-one product, I do think that's on the pricier end, so I'm hoping it's going to be awesome. It sounds like a lot of people got this in their Ipsy Glam bags, so I am very interested to try it out. And normally I am not happy to get eyeliners in Ipsy, but the fact that this is not black and it's a two-in-one, I'm actually pretty excited about it. And I'm really excited to see what these colors are going to look like, because based off of this really nice packaging, they look like they might be metallic, and I love a metallic eyeliner. So let's start out with some swatches. Of course, the green side is the one called Emerald. And this is the type of pencil that you have to sharpen. It feels kind of like plasticky here, but just a regular pencil sharpener will work fine to sharpen this type of eyeliner. But okay, here's the Emerald. Oh wow, it's more teal than green, but really pretty, and it does have a metallic shine to it. And then the blue side is called Sky. Ooh, very pretty, and a brighter blue than I was expecting. So let me show you a zoomed in view of these swatches, because they are different than I was expecting based off the packaging. So look at those. The green is almost like an olive. It almost looks like it could be brown, probably once I put it on my eyes. But then the blue really pops, really pretty. I kind of want to see how both colors look on both my lower lash line and my top lash line. So I might do a funny looking look here just to see how they actually are on the eye. But I know that I want to start out with the green on my lower lash line. I feel like that's going to be my most wearable use and more of like an everyday look. So let's start there. So I'm going to drag this along the lashes, but also it says you can put it on the waterline. So let's try that out, see if it sticks. It is drawing nicely onto the waterline, and it's drawing on nicely with good pigment. And I do feel like it looks, maybe on camera you can't tell as much, but even, yeah, I would say in person from this little distance in the mirror, it does look like a metallic green. The swatch kind of threw me off, but I actually do feel like it's looking like a nice forest green. I'm just blending it a little bit because I like to have a more of a smoked effect on the lower lash line. But that's really pretty. I have like green eyes, so I like to try and enhance the green in my eyes by wearing a green eyeliner or something like that. And I think this does a nice job of it. And it's pigmented, it glides on. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it on the upper lash line now, sticking with the same green. I am not great at lining my upper lash line, but it's actually pretty easy to do with this because it doesn't poke the eye, it doesn't drag. It's a really nice gel formula. Whoa. I actually really like the look of the green lining both the lower lash line and the top lash line, much more than I was expecting to. That's actually very wearable, and it definitely enhances my eye color. I really like that. Ooh, what a surprising, wearable, quick and easy look I was able to achieve. But actually, because it is such a soft gel texture, let's see if it smudges. Uh-oh, yep. So I was thinking this eyeliner might be too good to be true, but it's not too big of a deal that it smudges because I'm just going to be careful not to rub my eye, but it does not like kind of dry down and stick down the way some other eyeliners do. And I'm actually just kind of using like a dry tissue here, and it came right off. So it's not super long lasting. That is a downside to this, but it looks so good on the eye. It applies so nicely. However, it has already come off of the waterline. So not too surprised considering it does smudge and come off easily, but it's still great on my actual lash line. But now let's go ahead and see how this bright sky blue looks. I'll start by lining the lower lash line. I also am going to bring it up onto the waterline, even though it's not going to stay there for very long. I feel like it helps complete the look and make sure that the eyeliner is exactly where I want it to be along the lash line. And then with a brush, or clearly just with my finger, I just kind of soften and smoke that out a bit. But so quick and easy to apply. But it's definitely a noticeable blue. The green, I mean, if someone's up close having like a one-on-one conversation, they could notice it's green, but it's not as much of a pop. I find it to be more wearable, like easy to wear, this green color. The blue, it's a bit more of a statement, but still really pretty. Like a more toned down way to do a pop of color, but probably a bit more bold of a choice for my everyday eyeliner, even though I'm loving this color. So here is what let me show you. Blue versus green. Which do you prefer? Or should I mix them both? Let me know in the comments down below. I feel like just my comfort zone and my personal preference is the green, but the blue, I want a fun occasion where I can wear the blue. But the green, I really like how it enhances my eyes. I feel like it's a good daily eyeliner for me because I'm not a big black eyeliner fan. Lately, I've been wearing more of like a brown or a copper, but this green could become my daily eyeliner. The blue, it could be, you know, if I bring this with me in my makeup, the green could be for the day, the blue could be for at night. But aside from this not being a no budge, no smudge type of eyeliner, overall, I really like it. $23 I do feel is pricey for an eyeliner because I don't think you need to spend that much to get this good of an eyeliner. But since I have it in my collection now, I'm happy with this. So if you've tried it out, definitely let me know in the comments down below what you think of it and your favorite ways to wear it. But thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video.